Do you have a hard time meal planning? You're so busy, it's hard to figure out what you need to eat. And so we just keep going to fast food or things that are quick and easy, but you're not getting the results you want. So let's check in with your story because that's affecting your mood and your strategy. What if meal planning doesn't have to be hard? What if you started telling yourself, all right, I'm invested in myself and my health, and I want food that's going to nourish my body. So I'm going to put forth the planning time because planning is where we get our power. Let me show you some simple things that I do in hopes that that will help you get started on figuring things out for you. I have found that there's so much less brain drama when I know what I'm eating each day. It's worth the time to plan, and the more you do it, the less time it takes. I'm Wendolyn Davis, and I love doing these videos to help you optimize your health and wellness and help you get the results you want. And it's so powerful, the story that we're telling ourselves of what's possible and what's not possible, because the brain finds evidence for what we're thinking. And if we're thinking that meal planning is so hard and I don't have time, you're not going to do it. But if you're thinking, oh, I want better health, that, yeah, I'm going to take time for me, I'm going to figure out what works for me, then you'll do it. So it's one step at a time in figuring ourselves out and getting the results we want. Okay, breakfast. We got to make sure we're getting enough protein and fiber. And so what can you do? Or maybe some people skip breakfast, whatever works for you. But I'm finding that it's better to alternate and not do the same thing over and over and over. And I am eating breakfast later because I want a longer fasting window and a shorter eating window. So breakfast, there's boiled eggs that you can make the night before. You can make enough for 5 days or whatever you want. That's nice if you're in a hurry to have the boiled eggs. And when I do eggs, this morning I had beans with them because I already had some prepared. There's also the protein powder. So if I eat eggs, I'm going to for sure have protein powder or beans because it needs more protein. And so I like just ingredients, coconut chocolate, I add that. I went back to, we need more fiber. And it only takes a few minutes to saute, like 2 big handfuls of spinach goes down to not much. And so it's really easy to eat and it's really easy to fix. And sometimes if I have bell peppers, then I'm going to saute that and then add the spinach. That's a great way to get some great nutrients for our body. Or you can have it not cooked as a salad later on. For lunch today, since I'm making this video, I'm not going to have as much time, but I had already planned that I'm going to do the yogurt, which has 21 grams of protein, this Painterland Sisters yogurt, with chia seeds. Chia seeds have lots of fiber and other nutrients, but I will do a tablespoon of this, and I will add a 1/4 cup of walnuts, and I will add a handful of blueberries, and it's so tasty. And I will add a couple cucumbers, right? I'm just going to wash them. That's it. So that's easy. So there's my lunch. Fast and easy, full of lots of nutrients. Yay. And then this was left over from a couple days ago. It's just cucumber, onion, and tomato and bell pepper. And I have dressing for that as well for the Greek salad. And I will put the zucchini in the air fryer because that can be cooking while I make the salad. So tons of nutrients that I will be getting today. And it feels so good. So I love how that works because I've already thought it through. I know exactly what I'm doing. And tonight, after dinner, I am going to prepare the chicken, which I already got out. And so I can marinate it if I want to, or I can put it in the air fryer for that, I think it was 12 to 13 minutes with just some seasonings. It's so easy. I love it because I don't have to turn anything over. I just put it in. It does the work while I do something else. So I've already thought about tomorrow and have the next step in place. And we're definitely going to need to throw in 2 of my little squares of chocolate. And there you go. Also, with our season, there's watermelon. There's so many things that are full of nutrients that do not take a long time. Check in with your story. What are you telling yourself about meal prep? And what if you just try it? What if you tell yourself it's not that hard? What if you just, the night before, plan out what you can do for the next day or even the next 2 days? Because again, it's worth it to have less brain drama and that Planning is where I get my power, because if I know what I'm doing the next day, then I'm not waiting until I'm starving and eating food that doesn't serve me, because when we get so hungry, we don't care. And so it's just such a relief to know exactly what I'm eating. Also, it's a feeling of comfort to know what you're going to be eating the next day. And a lot of people are turning to food for comfort when they're trying to feel good. So if it's already prepared for you, you know exactly what you're doing instead of going to the sugary or the salty or all the other foods that aren't serving you, and then you beat yourself up after. There's some tips for meal prep and getting that protein, fiber, and fat and carbs and all the good things that your body needs for the health and vitality that you want. Happy summer, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.